Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talk about Kevin Pietersen greatest cricket moments, a legendary career, and I am happy that you are with us. Friends, if you are new to the channel, then definitely subscribe to the channel. Here you get all the updates related to cricket and sports. Kevin Pietersen, one of the most flamboyant and controversial cricket of this generation, had several memorable moments throughout his career. There are some highlights. 2005 Asian Series debut and impact. Pietersen made this test debut in the 2005 Asian Series against Australia. His aggressive batting style and ability to play shot all round the ground immediately caught the eyes. Oval century. In the final test at the Oval, Pietersen scored a match-saving 158 in the second innings. This inning was crucial in England scoring a draw and winning the Asian Series 2-1, their first Asian win in 18 years. 2006 ICC Champions Trophy. Pietersen was the tournament's leading run scorer, showcasing this ability to dominate limited overs cricket as well. 2008 Tour of India Mohali Test. Pietersen scored a brilliant 144 in the second test at Mohali. Although England lost the series, Pietersen inning was a highlight of the tour. 2008 captaincy. Pietersen was named England captaincy in 2008, succeeding Michael Vaughan. Although his turnover was brave and filled with controversy, it made it a significant point in his career. 2009 Asian Series Lord's Test. Pietersen scored a crucial 69 in the first inning of the second test at Lord's. England win the match, making their first Asian victory at Lord's since 1934. 2010 ICC World Cup 20. Winning the title, Pietersen played a key role in England victory in the 2010 ICC World Cup 20. He scored 248 runs in the tournament, including a match-winning 73 against Pakistan, and was named player of the match tournament. 2012 Tour of India Mumbai Test. Pietersen scored a magnificent 186 in the second test at Mumbai. His partnership with Alastair Cook was pivotal in England series win, their first in Indian since 1984-5. 2013 Asian Series Old Trafford Country. Pietersen scored a fighting 113 in the third test at Old Trafford. His inning helped England secure a draw, maintaining their lead in the series. 2014 Big Bash League. Memorable innings playing for the Melbourne Star. Pietersen scored several notable innings in the Big Bash League, bringing his characteristic flair to the T20 format. Farewell Tour. Final international appearance. Pietersen final appearance for England came in the 2013 and 14 Asian Series in Australia. Despite the series loss, Pietersen ended his international career as one of England's most prolific run scorer. Off-field contribution, commentary and writing. After his playing career, Pietersen made significant contribution as a commentator and author, sharing insight from his career and advocating for the sport. Advocacy for wildlife conservation. Post-retirement, Pietersen has been actively involved in wildlife conservation, particularly focus on saving rhinos in Africa. His dedication to his cause has been widely recognized. Kevin Pietersen's career was filled with highs and lows, marked by his exceptional talent and often polarizing personality. His contribution to English cricket, especially in pivotal, have cemented his legacy as one of the game's greats. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video.